Error code 2 on the Keurig coffee machine typically indicates a faulty preheat tank, which is the most common cause of this issue. To fix the error, start by checking the tank. Unplug the coffee machine, remove the tank, and clean the exit nozzle using a soft item, such as a pencil rubber, to push it down and remove any debris. If the nozzle offers resistance, it may require further cleaning. Once clean, gently reinstall the tank. It's also worth noting that some models have removable water tank lids, which can cause issues if they are too tight, as this can create a vacuum and trigger error code 2. To address this, try loosening the lid or brewing coffee without the lid on the tank. Additionally, ensure the water level in the tank is adequate, as the unit requires at least 6 ounces of water to brew properly. If the tank already contains this amount, try adding at least 2 more ounces and then press the brew button to see if the issue is resolved.